Did you know that 20,835 students missed their Nata JEE B.Arch registrations in the last 3 years? And do you know why? Which means 20,000 plus students who wanted to choose architecture as their career could not as they missed their Nata registrations. Subsequently, did you know that the academic calendars have been preponed this year? I'm pretty sure the post-COVID effect has left the academic schedule in complete chaos and postponement. And also understand this piece of information is very momentous as you cannot register for your Nata or JEE B.Arch exams patiently after you complete your 12th board exams. To join architecture, you have to mandatorily register for entrance exams like Nata or JEE B.Arch within the stipulated dates and get yourself ready within the preponed schedules, failing which you cannot appear for Nata or JEE B.Arch or you cannot choose architecture for this year. Stay tuned for all the mandatory information updates on architecture or Nata and become a pro in all subjects. Join Yaer and register at the right time and choose a wonderful future. Don't miss your Nata registration. Be alert and contact Yaer for free Nata or JEE B.Arch registrations.